Alright, Casey Camera Boy here working on the First Amendment audit. See these people respect our freedom to record. You know what I'm saying? So I heard a whistle, and then that guy over there, Mr. Handface over there, what's going on? Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on. Mr. Cam back there? Yeah, that's it. Jimmy Weemy there with Mr. Camback. He is doing the Camback with shame. I guess so. He looks irritated. Dragon Ball, is it? Wow. I can barely hear you.
What are you guys filming for?
Oh yeah, we're filming for.
What?
Who are you?
Why you want to know who I am?
Why you want to know what I'm doing? Oh, I'm just asking too. You okay, buddy?
You have no consent to film me.
What is it?
You have no consent to film me.
Can I have your consent? I'll just take a quick finger swipe and that's gonna be it. You wanna sign my waiver? Here, can you sign it?
You have no consent to film me.
Just real quick,
No.
just a quick finger swipe and
No.
you'll be releasing your house, your wife, your vehicle, social security number.
No consent to film.
You don't consent?
No.
Okay, but when, you know that when you're in public, you're not entitled to privacy, right?
Yeah, I know. I know that.
So then how you not gonna consent me
No,
that
but I just asking you why
it's public
you doing
photography.
that?
We're doing public photography. You engage me.
Oh no, that's it. No,
Yeah,
that's it.
yeah, but you're still gonna be on my video even if I don't get your consent.
All right.
Okay. I mean, just letting you know, public photography. But you going out in the public property, like in the public
Yeah,
view,
yeah, I
you're pretty
understand
much consenting for people to film you.
Yeah, I understand.
All right. All right. Have a nice day. All right. Thank you. How to educate him a little bit there. All right. So we're gonna head next door. Let's see what happens. Stay on second part here. Now what's going on? You got Jimmy Weemy there.
Yes.
Howdy there.
You need me?
No, not today. Tomorrow you can come back and maybe I need you. And yeah. You okay?
Yeah, you guys reporting for some reason?
What happened?
You guys reporting for some reason?
Yeah.
What?
I would like not to disclose it in this day and age, you know, with the 911 and everything that's going around. You can trust just like that, you know. You know who he is, bro? Me too. I don't know who he is. Well, he's very comfy. Asking me what am I doing.
Do you know his name?
What's your name?
My name?
Oh, nice to meet you. Yeah.
Alright, actually get back.
Thank you. Uh-oh. He looks very hot over there. He's like, no. He's like, can't believe it. They're filming the Filmación over there. He was nice, so we'll see what happens. I think he is tripping over there. That's him. Yep. That's him. I remember him.
Yeah, perfect.
Yep, that's it. I think he's coming from Qatar right now or something. Or he's probably heading that way. I remember because the mustache too. You know that little porn stash? Very suspicious there. So he went inside over there. So we don't know what's gonna happen. He's still over there. Yep. Yep, that's it. Cuauhtemoc Sanchez over there. Nonek Sanchez over there calling the cops. I don't know what he's smiling about. He's probably happy, oh, I'm gonna call the cops on these peasants. Oh man, that's messed up. That's when you know he's a sellout, bro. Yeah. I wonder if they're actually doing the walk of shame over there. Because I know he's calling the cops. Yeah.
What is this all about, guys? You guys are authorized to take video. What is this for? Who are you guys?
Who are you? May I know your name?
No, you cannot have my name. Who are you?
Stay 6 feet away from me.
Huh?
Stay so you don't get too close to me.
Okay, who are you? Who are you guys?
Who are you?
I am the owner of here.
Well, that sucks to hear that.
Huh?
Sucks to hear that.
Who are you?
I'm working right now.
What is your work?
What is your work?
Here is the property that I know somebody owns.
Just take a little step back, relax. What's going on?
What's going on? What
Talk
you
to
guys
me.
are doing?
We're working.
Working for what? For who?
We cannot disclose that.
Okay, but you guys have a permit to take a video? Show me your permit.
Go on your phone, go to Google and type the First Amendment and you'll find it there. Yeah. I mean, you're asking me, no? I'm trying to like educate you here. It seems like
Where are you from?
my mama's womb.
Where?
My mama's womb.
I don't know where is that at.
Okay. Yeah, you're okay?
Is there any way you could show us a product what you sell here?
No, of course not.
I want to see a box.
Just
I
that,
don't
that
show you anything, my friend.
like the box over there on top, just open it up from over there and we just get to see what's in it and we'll be out of your way. Don't. Hey, can you open the box right there? Don't do it. He's doing it. He's heading to the everything of shame. Enters of shame. That's it. We're done. He's gonna get educated. Wow. Look at him. Look at that great baby over there. Taking pictures. Oh.
Can I help you guys? Why are you filming inside the cars? On this side of the line is private property. Ain't no shh. Any particular reason why you're videoing the cars? Oh, that is a nice one. No?
Stay 6 feet away. I don't know what your tensions are good.
Oh, you can speak now, huh?
Do you assume that we don't speak? Come back with shame, brother.
You don't own public sidewalk, remember that.
Oh, let me step on our property.
This is your property too.
No, that's not. This
Yeah, it is. You pay
ours.
taxes. This it
I don't
is.
pay taxes here.
Oh, okay. Are you from America?
No.
So you're a migrant worker or something, and
Exactly.
you're not paying taxes?
Yep.
Well, hopefully when you fix papers, they ask for your W-2. If you haven't done it, they won't approve your green card, bro.
Well, I've been here 15 years without it,
Oh, okay, cool.
so
Now people know where you're at.
that's fine. Hey, find me if you can.
Hey, I mean, you're the one who's tripping. We weren't tripping, or were we? Like,
Why are you videoing inside the cars?
says who?
Dude, I just seen you guys videoing this car.
You seen me?
Seen you, seen him.
Wow.
Wow.
Just because he was standing there in the
What's your YouTube channel?
BS.
What's your YouTube channel?
BS, bro.
What's your YouTube channel?
I'm not trying to be rude, but you're taking it far.
I can get you guys some
You don't
some
find
support.
out. No, that's good, bro,
I got a
man.
whole lot of buddies that got YouTube
Oh, that's
channels.
good. That's good.
You don't want
Well,
to.
you gonna have him troll me or what?
Why would I have them troll you?
You never know in this day and age with the 911 and everything that goes around. I mean,
Man, don't worry about no 911.
hey, you never know.
What's your guys' YouTube channel?
Don't worry about it.
Oh, so you want a video, but you don't want to get no plug?
Yeah. Well, why do I need a plug? I mean, a
To
plug,
help
it's
your
good
channel,
though.
To help your channel.
Why?
Look, I got a two-way channel. If you guys want to plug me on your channel, I'm cool with
I'll
that.
take your channel. I'll take your channel. Actually, I get it. Here. Just say it. I ain't tripping, man. Was I being rude to you? You came off a little hard, though.
Yeah, because you're videoing inside of cars.
Okay, but that's not illegal, though.
Yeah. And on public property, no. This is private.
But we never crossed, sir.
You guys have a good day.
Like, I'm BSing you. Look, I have a body camera here. Like, I'm not trying to be rude to you. See, why you walk away now? After you made a false claim. Hey, what's up with your YouTube channel? You never gave it to me.
You gonna give me yours?
You gotta give it to me first.
All right.
What is it?
You guys enjoy your first visit.
Hey, thank you, sir. Very professional, though. Hey, make sure you pay your taxes, though. I'm sure you pay them. You're on payroll.
I'll make more money by keeping it.
Oh, you would. Well, what can I say, bro? Stay safe. It's true. Damn, the cop is over there already, waiting for us, I guess. Damn, that's it. We are done. He's waiting for backup, I think. Hey, that cops are right there. I'm dead serious, bro. Can't believe you call the cops for that. Wow. You're doing the same thing I was doing a minute ago, and then you were tripping about it. But it's okay, bro. That's it.
Yes, what is it?
That's him.
Who?
You.
What do you want?
Nothing.
Can I see some of the product? I just want to see.
No,
Can you open a quick box just real quick there and
we don't.
let me take a sneak peek and we'll be out of your hair? Hey, the cops are there though. If you close it, that'll be the closing of shame and it's gonna just be embarrassing. Yeah, he is doing the closing of shame. Wow. Why not give free publicity to your business instead of closing it? Wow, you lost on it. You lost on it. You did the closing of shame. He won't be all the way. There you go, almost there. There you go. He even locked it. Double lock of shame there. Wow. On the meantime, the cop is still over there, chilling, like waiting, just watching us.
Oh,
There you go. Damn,
it was the one, the same
that
one.
was quick. Where's he going?
It was the same one.
Yup. They ain't even gonna call. They ain't even going to come. That tells you everything.
You guys are auditors like that shit that comes around.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Working on public photography right now.
Nice.
Yeah. You watch it?
I support you guys.
Thank you, sir. Hey, stay safe, man. Hey, shout outs to the homie there. He said he watches our videos, so shout outs to him. He left us some waters. That's what's up.